Hey guys, greetings at WPCode Studio.
Within this here section, I have already taken these two buttons and I applied this style over them, and now they looks good. But I want one or multiple button. So let me drag here one more. But now this button style not look like them. You know why? Because these two buttons are not global style. So in this case, we need to apply global style over the button. Then we don't need to apply style again and again for each button. I mean, we can just drag and change the button text. That's it. So let's do it. For apply global style over the button, just click over this Elementor logo that's on the top left corner, and then you'll get this option called site settings. And from here, at first I'm gonna apply a background color for a button that will work for entire website. So just click over it called global colors, and within this system color panel you will get this option called accent color. I'm gonna just paste my color code that I want for background as a background for all the buttons that will work for entire website, and then save changes and get back. And now in this time we will get into these buttons, and here at first we will apply a font family and font size for buttons. So let's choose a font family. I'm gonna give here Helvetica fonts for this button, and font size I'm gonna give you 60 pixel, and font weight 500. Leave it as it is. But I won't do this in this way because I have already set global font size and typography for entire website. If you don't know how to set it, then just from this video description you will get the video how to set global dynamic font size and typography. So let me remove this all, and I will just select that dynamic and global typography that I have already set it here. This is called text, and then I will enter a padding for the button. Top I'm gonna give here 9 pixel, and bottom I'm gonna give here 9 pixel, and right 20 pixel, 25 pixel, also left 25 pixel. And now let me save. Just close this tab. So this button look like similar like thing, but even after we have an issue that border radius, we forget to change the border radius for the button global. So let's do it. And for that, again we need to get inside site setting, buttons, and from here border radius I'm gonna give here 5 pixel. Now in this time this button look like similar exactly. Just save changes and close this. And now we will just change the text for the button, but for all the button style will be same exactly that we have set globally. For example, I'm gonna enter a button name for example long more, and even after if you want to drag one more button, then let me show you. Also you can see this button style also exactly same that we have set global. So this was the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to WPCode Studio. Guys, subscribe our channel and like, comment, share videos with your friends. To get update, hit that bell icon button.